a guy I picked up at Oktoberfest is a blacksmith. At least I think he was. I remember a leather apron.
Apron. Apron.
I remember a leather apron. Well, I found my blacksmith. He now shares an artisan barn.
Artisan. Artisan.
He now shares an artisan barn. Pretty sure he got it from me because we shower together. And the cost of new shoes and vet fee, $1,400.
Vet. Vet.
And the cost of new shoes and vet fee, $1,400.
We're interested in renting this location to film a TV show. We think your diner would be a great place to kill someone.
Diner. Diner.
We think your diner would be a great place to kill someone. Here's my card, a Tom Wu Law and Order Special Victims Unit.
Shut your face, Tom Wu!
Woo. Woo.
Shut your face, Tom Wu!
Look how cute the director is. He's my rugged guy type. Not really rugged at all, but
Rugged. Rugged.
not really rugged at all, but from Saks Fifth Avenue.
Hi, DJ Kingsley.
Nice beard.
Beard. Beard.
Nice beard.
Hi, DJ Kingsley.
Nice beard. You grow out that stubble or just set your razor to Jason Statham?
Razor. Razor.
Or just set your razor to Jason Statham?
If you'd consider it, I'd love to have your look in the episode.
Hey, what about me? You could shave my head, drag me behind a car.
Shave. Shave.
You could shave my head, drag me behind a car. No, they're hookers.
How about a compromise? Cops by day, prostitutes by night.
Prostitute. Prostitute.
Cops by day, prostitutes by night.
And action! The shooter comes in.
Bang, bang!
Bang. Bang.
Extra paid and full of purse sushi.
They're ready for you two.
Oh, be right there. Just gonna put my purse in the fridge.
Fridge. Fridge.
Just gonna put my purse in the fridge.
They're ready for you two.
Oh, be right there. Just gonna put my purse in the fridge.
Thomas, Tom, T-Pain, can we chat?
Chat. Chat.
Thomas, Tom, T-Pain, can we chat? Thomas, Tom, T-Pain, can we chat?
What is it, dude?
Your crew got soy sauce all over my computer.
Soy. Soy.
Your crew got soy sauce all over my computer. And according to our agreement, you must pay all the damages.
How much do you want?
$300.
It's a piece of crap.
Crap. Crap.
It's a piece of crap.
Okay, so you guys are here behind the counter doing your waitress thing. Shooter aims for the cook, but
Shooter. Shooter.
shooter aims for the cook, but
Hello? You just put your hand on a woman's blouse without asking?
Blouse. Blouse.
Hand on a woman's blouse without asking?
yeah.
Caroline, that special effects rig you're wearing is
Rig. Rig.
And don't be nervous. The camera's gonna love you. How could it not?
DJ, stop flirting with me.
Flirt. Flirt.
DJ, stop flirting with me.
This director slips you anything that looks like a sweet tart. It's probably that date rape drug that knocks you out and distorts your memory. Or at least
Distort. Distort.
and distorts your memory. Or at least
I have my own date rape drug. I talk about myself incessantly till guys get bored and pass out.
Till. Till.
Till guys get bored and pass out. Till guys get bored and pass out.
So if that doesn't work, what are your limits? Little over the sweater, under sweater, little
Sweater. Sweater.
Little over the sweater, under sweater, little secret staircase.
I don't know what that is, but no one goes up my staircase. Not,
staircase, staircase,
but no one goes up my staircase. Not.
Yelling, don't worry, I'll get her.
Well, come on in. Stay for a glass of champagne, Max. Oh,
champagne, champagne,
stay for a glass of champagne, Max. Oh.
I came here once to do a photo shoot for a 20 under 20 teen millionaires to watch spread, and I
millionaire, millionaire,
teen millionaires to watch spread, and
Are you eating a cinnamon Altoid?
I'm eating a cinnamon Altoid.
cinnamon, cinnamon,
I'm eating a cinnamon Altoid. That guy's a player. I'm not talking my way out of this one. We're screwed.
Yeah,
screw, screw,
We're screwed.
yeah,
I'm not talking my way out of this one. We're screwed.
yeah. He's got a high tolerance.
tolerance, tolerance,
He's got a high tolerance. Your long hair speech almost roofied me.
What do we do, Max? I don't want to offend him.
offend, offend,
What do we do, Max? I don't want to offend him. I'm sorry. These things happen. It reminds me of that time I had tea with that prince in Dubai and he thought he bought me.
prince, prince,
With that prince in Dubai and he thought he bought me. See, Max, no hard feelings. I told you it was going to work out. Hi, I'm ready for my fake butt pouch.
pouch, pouch,
Hi, I'm ready for my fake butt pouch.
Okay, let's stay on schedule, people. My kid's reading a poem at school. By the way, your rack looks fantastic.
fantastic, fantastic,
By the way, your rack looks fantastic.
Well, it's about time.
Places, everyone?
You don't have to do this. Chestnut is my horse.
chestnut, chestnut,
You don't have to do this. Chestnut is my horse.
What I've been waiting for my whole life.
I haven't felt this unwanted since
unwanted, unwanted,
I haven't felt this unwanted since I tried to teach those inner city school kids how to knit.
knit, knit,
Since I tried to teach those inner city school kids how to knit.
And $55 for that gorgeous picture of the city.
gorgeous, gorgeous,
And $55 for that gorgeous picture of the city.
Getting shot felt kind of gangsta waitress. I'm like notorious BLT.
notorious, notorious,
I'm like notorious BLT.
What's this last $1,000 charge?
That is for the damage done to Max and Caroline, according to Crew's scuttlebutt.
accord, accord,
According to Crew's scuttlebutt, the director tried some funny business last night.
This is not cool, dude.
dude, dude,
This is not cool, dude.
The director tried some funny business last night.
This is not cool, dude.
It is most decidedly not cool, pal. So
decidedly, decidedly,
it is most decidedly not cool, pal. So